also I want to thank Wild 94.9 because they were actually the first radio station to really play and support Havana. So I really want to give you guys a huge shout out too. Okay, now I'm going to stop laughing. This is my last song and it's called Never Be the Same. I hope you guys like it. Somebody, and I knew that it would be really hard to recover, but